Yeah, my name is Dogo Yakubu.
Dogo, you are welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you so much.
How excited are you to be here?
Oh, I'm so excited and I'm also privileged to be here. So,
Can you tell us a little bit about you? Where are you from? And how has your journey in football been so far?
yeah, yeah, I'm from the northern part of Ghana, from Yendi. So, and my journey of football has been, tough, even though I didn't play much here before I left. So, but it hasn't been an easy journey though. But we're still on it. We keep working on it. Yeah.
What do you know about the club Asante Kotoko?
Oh, I think I know a bit because it's one of the, or let's say the biggest club here in Ghana. I think everyone should know how big the club is, the history and the wonderful culture of it. So it's, it's a moment for me to be one of these big club here in Ghana, Asante.
It's a January transfer and you are joining. You've had, I think, a week training with the boys.
Yeah.
How do you see the pressure, the demand at the club, even at the training session?
Yeah, is the pressure is too much. It's very tough. But at the training ground, I can see the effort of the players, the technical team as well, and also the fans. I know how the pressure is very tough. So,
I know a lot of people in the media space may not have heard of you, do not know you so much and your style of play, which is very important. Who do you say your style, for those who do not know you, who do you say your style can be likened to? Any
oh,
footballer that you know, I play like this player.
okay, like my kind of play and the the star I look up to as well. Let's say my style of play, I'll go with the Kylian Mbappe as well because the space, the shooting, the scoring, yeah.
There's a huge expectation from our fans that we need to win the league. And looking at the table right now, we are a bit off fourth on the table. What do you think you are bringing on board that can fuel our charge for the league?
Yeah, I know what the fans want, and I can feel their pressure on the players, how they want the players to push harder to win the league. But personally, on my own, it's a promise that as long as we and the players, the coaches, the technical as well, we're going to bring the happiness they deserve, what they want. We're going to give it to them, and me also. I think I will make sure that we push forward to make sure the league we won the league as well. So I think right now I'm ready. The team, I can see the hard work from the coaches, from the players as well. So the fans should just keep on cheering the players, but definitely we won't let them down. So
I know you've been to the stadium to watch the boys a couple of times.
yeah.
What sort of idea, what sort of thing did you see with being in the stands, looking at how the supporters react to the pitch?
Yeah, I would really say it's crazy, how hungry they are to see the players to win matches. Yeah, I can feel the pressure because I was with them. I watched some of their games and I was in the stand as well. I've heard a lot how people they are talking, how sometimes if they feel disappointed, the player did not give them what they want, and I can feel the pressure, the argument, and the insult and everything. But I know the pressure is really much, but all I can tell them, all I can say to them is they should just keep on cheering and supporting the boys. Nobody want to lose. We're going to make them happy again. So,
Dogo, you
yeah,
are welcome to Asante Kotoko once again.
thank
I
you.
wish you the very best in
Thank
your
you.
career over
Thank
here.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.